There's not enough space. There's never enough space in Nairobi. The population is increasing, the cost of living is rising, and the climate is changing. And as a result, people are struggling to find work, to find food, and also to educate their children.
Sa ni ile ukiamuka.
Pan fyddai'n deffro, rydw i'n meddwl am fy holl bryderon. Sut fyddai'n talu ffïoedd ysgol fy mhlant? A fydd digon o fwyd? Pan oedd fy ngŵr yn fyw, roedd gen i llai o gyfrifoldebau. Fel talu rhent, talu ffïoedd ysgol, talu'r ysbyty. Ond erbyn hyn, fi sy'n gyfrifol am bopeth. Mae'n anodd, ond rydw i'n ymddiried yn new.
Here in Dagoretti, people face so many challenges that include food insecurity and limited access to basic services such as healthcare and also clean water and limited access to land.
Yeye ndiye alikuja akatuongeleza lakini mara
I ddechrau, doeddwn i ddim yn deall beth roeddwn ei olygu. Roeddwn i'n meddwl, ble gall rhywun ffermio yma yn Nairobi? Drwy'r dosbarthiadau, fe nes I ddarganfod y gallwn ni ffermio yma, reit wrth fy nhraed. Dysgais eich bod yn gallu ffermio, lle rydych chi'n byw, yma yn Nairobi. Hyd yn oed os nad oes gennych chi dir. Mae ffermio wedi newid fy mywyd. Rydw i'n falch o fwyta'r hyn rydw I wedi ei gynhyrchu. Rydw i'n gwybod sut I dyfu bwyd heb gemegau. Mae hynny'n fy gwneud i'n hapus.
Our work focuses on one life-changing goal: to help families grow their own nutritious, organic vegetables to eat and to sell, and to take advantage of the tiny spaces available in the informal settlements. In partnership with Christian Aid, we've been able to provide critical support to the community members here. We start with the basics, training them on making organic compost, making seedbed, and also raising strong seedlings. We train them on various urban farming techniques, multi-story gardens, vertical sacks, corn gardens, sack gardens, and even hydroponics. These methods means that no matter how small the space is, families can still grow enough food to feed themselves and find surplus to sell.
Rydw i'n ddiolchgar oherwydd dysgodd Beacon of Hope I mi sut I ennill arian. Yn nawr, rydw i'n mynd i'r farchnad ac yn masnachu. Dyma sut rydw i'n ennill fy mywoliaeth.
We know the story of the mustard seed from Luke's Gospel, a very small seed that grew into a very big tree that everyone looked up at. My work focuses on ensuring that I help people to understand that the mustard seed can grow into a very big tree that can support generations of people for many, many years.
Rydw i nawr yn gallu cynllunio'n well, a phrynu'r pethau sydd ei angen arnau, oherwydd rydw i'n gwybod fory y bydd yr arian yn dod eto, oherwydd mae fy llysiau'n dal I dyfu.
In Kenya and in UK, our small actions can grow beyond what we thought possible. Get involved this Christian Aid Week. With every donation, we can make a difference together.